This is Frankie McDonald, my own TV station live from Sydney, Nova Scotia. Massive winter storm is headed towards Nova Scotia Tuesday, February 13th, 2024. It's going to bring up to 30 plus centimeters of snow. Winds are going to be really strong. It's going to cause blown or drifted snow, reduced visibilities, dangerous and treacherous driving conditions. Going to bring a lot of snow on top of 150 centimeters of snow. It's going to bring a whole lot of snow. Make sure you have your extra snow plows in Sydney, Nova Scotia, and Halifax, Nova Scotia. Have your extra snow plows and have your giant snow blowers on the streets. Make sure you have your military ready to help to clear the snow, because the snow is going to be really powerful. Streets, roads, highways, and Trans-Canada will be snow covered, will be dangerous and treacherous driving conditions, and the snowbanks are so high in Nova Scotia. Make sure you have your snow plows, everything ready. Make sure you have your military ready to further clear the snow in Nova Scotia, because winds are going to be really powerful. Make sure to have your everything ready. Buy all your food as you can, because it's going to bring 30 plus centimeters of snow on top of 150 centimeters of snow in Sydney, Nova Scotia. It's also going to hit Halifax, Nova Scotia, Shelburne, Nova Scotia, Yarmouth, Nova Scotia, Greenwood, Nova Scotia, Toronto, Nova Scotia, New Glasgow, surrounding areas as well. People in Nova Scotia, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready, winter jackets ready, hats and gloves, scarves, ski pants ready. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi, buy cases of Coke. Do your grocery shopping, don't wait till the last minute. Do it right now. Make sure you have your smartphone, cell phones, laptops, tablet charge. Have your 3G, 4G, 5G, and LTE Internet Ready as well. Make sure you have your extra shovels ready and have your heat pumps to keep those warm. Since the snowbanks are so high, have the army ready to help to clear out the snow. Have military deployed for Sydney, Nova Scotia when clearing out the snow and helping out the snow plows as well. If you have anybody living in Nova Scotia, be prepared for a massive snowstorm Tuesday, February 13th, 2024 during the evening hours. Take care, stay safe. Don't get caught in a massive snowstorm. Stay warm and be safe.